How to share WhatsApp group link without admin. Hi everyone, this is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch WhatsApp app on your device. Make sure to log into your particular account. Now, you need to open the particular group chat where you want to share the WhatsApp group link of. Now head towards the group info at top left corner of the screen. Scroll down. Now here you will see different members. Simply under that select invite via link. And here are different options. You can either send link via WhatsApp, copy the link or share the link. So for now let's copy the link and you can easily open any particular chat and you can share the link and then tap the same button at bottom right corner. So this is the case when you are the admin of the particular group. But in the case where you are not the admin, you simply need to open that particular group and then head towards the group info at top left. Scroll down. Now you are not the admin for this particular group and we don't see the option in order to invite any of the users via link. This means that currently WhatsApp does not provide that feature to share WhatsApp group link without admin. So on the upcoming days, maybe WhatsApp might facilitate to share WhatsApp group link without admin. So if this guide was helpful, then hit the like button and subscribe for more updates. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.